What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. It's been a while since I covered it, but wanted to do a full update here for everybody that is still interested in Jasmy. Jasmy, believe it or not, but it's still one of the coins that has one of the strongest communities out there. If you take a look at the chart, you would not say that, but ultimately, unfortunately, I mean, if you've seen my last couple of updates, moves like these were expected, right? When we had that last strength, the 31st of January, up to the main resistance level right here at 3.3 cents, I already said we're most likely going to reject. And then this last support level we had before the support level we're at right now, which, by the way, is also a very strong support level, but it's not providing that much strength. We'll get to that later, because the big question obviously is for Jasmy right now that I want to talk about is, was this the bottom, right? Or can we actually expect another dump, another crash? And a lot of you, and I've been in the Jasmy community for quite a long time. A lot of you are very pessimistic right here, and I understand, and I actually do think, kind of to spoiler the rest of the video, I do unfortunately think that there's a realistic chance that Jasmy is going to drop down lower. But I would say stay realistic, all right? Take a look at the data and don't lose hope, all right? I would not buy Jasmy right now, just to be completely honest with you. So with don't lose hope, I'm not trying to tell you that we're going to see a 10x real quick. But I do still expect bullish momentum for altcoins somewhere down the line in 2025, and I do think we'll see bullish momentum for Jasmy then as well. For now, we just have to hang in there. I mean, you can see also after that support right here at 2.5, which we broke down below, we basically, excuse my nose by the way, we basically got back into this old range we had back in the middle of the year, but also after March, right here between March and May, but then also between August and November, which those were amazing times. But we're back in that range, all right? So what that means is that we're also back at this major support level, where the main support level is right here between, well, I would say around 1.6 cents. So we're actually on top of that. We're holding that support level relatively well. And that's also what you can see right here, right? The support for Jasmy, it's actually being defended. And at times there's also some momentum coming in from that support level. So do I necessarily quickly expect a drop into the next support level, which would be the level right here between 1.1 and 1 cent? So that would not be great if we drop down into that. Do I expect that we will drop down into that? No, I actually think that the market right now is relatively steady. However, Bitcoin has also dropped down a level, has also started consolidating one level lower, which could be the start of a downtrend. And ultimately, what worries me the most about Jasmy is that I don't see any real evidence of strength. All right, the volume is up 20% right now. Most of that was after the news that the US will not acquire additional crypto for its stockpile. And just in general, like I said, from the bottom we often have volume coming in, so that's great. Right, those are signs that this bottom, at least on the short term, will hold. But then the volume usually disappears when we get into resistance, right? And the main resistance level right now is around 2 cents. You can also see that here. That's by far the level where most of the volume has been transacted. That's the point of control. That's the level we need to break above if we want to get back into 2.5 and really confirm this support. Or at least, confirm the support. And for now, I would say it's most likely that we will be able to hold this support. Right here, let's say on top of 1.5, I think 1.5 psychological support level is really the last level. I do think we'll be able to hold that support, but I think the max we can go under the current circumstances is like 1.9 and 2 cents. And I think we'll just consolidate down here. And I even think a move like this will be quite rare. We might have that once or twice, but in the end, it's going to be difficult. And when I actually do think that the time is coming that we'll have a bearish breakdown, because I do think, talking about either a breakout or breakdown, I would still say under the current circumstances and the weakness we've seen over the last couple of weeks, that a breakdown is more likely. I don't expect it immediately, so I will keep you updated on that, but be ready for it. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching. Try to have a good day, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.